everyone, I am back with another Louis Vuitton double unboxing. As you guys can see, I have two packages right here. One of the items here, it is actually on my wish list for quite a long time, and finally I was able to find it. And also the other one is actually, it was just recently released by Virgil Abloh. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to guess it. But anyway, these are the two items. And let me start with the large package right here. Okay, so this item has been sitting on my wish list for quite a long time. So that means I have another item from my wish list that gets fulfilled, and I am so excited when I see those items on my wish list and finally I was able to get hands in it, and especially that this item is hard to come by nowadays. I don't know why. Anyway, let me show you what I got, and it's in the dust bag. And I am so thrilled to show you right here. Oh, wow. This is a Louis Vuitton large ring agenda cover. So it has, so you guys can see right here at the bottom, it has a ring. And it is the largest one that they have. So I have this in my wish list for such a long time, along with the other pattern, which is a classic monogram. Originally, I've been wanting to get the classic monogram, but for some reason, it has never become available. I also have this as my option. And since it's been like almost a couple of years, I guess, that I couldn't even they couldn't even source it out, the classic monogram for me in a large. So I was thinking maybe if I could find the Damier Ebene print, I might consider getting it. So anyway, my essay told me about this piece. I know it is not my priority, it's still on my wish list. I wanted the monogram originally, but I wouldn't even mind trying this at all. And I think I know that the Damier print is actually not my favorite, but slowly my Damier print collection is started to build up, and I'm so happy with that. So anyway, this is the large ring agenda right here. And okay, so I got the receipt right here. Wow, I didn't even know that they put the receipt right there. That's because I didn't ask her to put the ribbon for this piece. So anyway, wow, look at those lovely shiny gold hardware. Oh my gosh. So this one has a 6 ring binder. It looks very shiny, guys. The rivets on the inside, it has a Louis Vuitton engraved in there. Wow, I could tell that this is like new. This is brand new, and I wish I could have known when was this crafted, because I know for the fact that when I was at the store, there's no way for me to look at when it was being crafted. That's because all the items right now are microchipped. But I could find out when was this crafted though, but I didn't ask my essay about it because I was just too excited. I just wanted to have her put it in a box, and I just wanted to go home. So anyway, this is the product information right here, the R20107. I believe this one is currently retails for $920 US. That's before tax. I think they have already increased the price for this. I'm not sure the old price for this piece anymore. I have the copy, but I didn't have it here with me. And okay, the inside is actually lined with this cowhide grained leather. Okay, right there. as usual. So I got the one that is made in France with this red right there. It's actually in a red foil, the stamping. I got the made in France. On this corner, it has a side pocket right here. I think this is a card slot. And it also have a pocket on this corner, on this side. And it is more likely this one is a card slot, I must say. I mean, I don't even know what else you could put in here. So, wow, I was totally, look at how shiny that is. I cannot see any sort of marks and scratches. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So anyway, this is how it looks right here. It has a gold hardware once again, and it has a snap closure. It has a pen loop as well. Let me take a look at the back right here. It says, wow, very nice. And it's actually it feels thick and sturdy though. That's what I felt like right now. Yeah, it felt really thick and it is very, very shiny. So this one has a glazing right here, a minimal glazing. And this is just pretty much how it looks. And I am so excited because I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're going to, I'm not sure if they're going to discontinue it. I have been asking for the classic monogram on this piece. It is nowhere to be found. They said that it's still in production, but I don't know. I mean, I've tried to source that one out because it is a classic monogram. It's one of my favorite. It is my favorite pattern for Louis Vuitton. Apart from the Turillion leather, that's actually not a pattern. It is a leather. But when I saw this at the store, when she told me about it, I have to see it. I have to see it at the store. And I was able to convince myself that this is actually very, very pretty and it's very nice. So anyway, this is the first item that I have picked up. And next, we have the second item right here. And this one, it is actually part of, I think this is a part of a spring and summer collection by Virgil Abloh. I am not 100% sure about it. But anyway, it came in with this box like this. And let me show you the second item. And I'm also so excited for this item. I don't know. So this one, okay, let me show you what I've got first. Okay, so I have a coin and card holder. So I believe that actually, when I saw this on the website at first, I was a little bit confused because of the pattern. As you guys have noticed, that this is made up of a canvas, and the pattern is entirely different compared to the classic monogram. So this is actually the logos right here. Let me show you all the logos. See right there, if you know what I meant. So the logos. Let me just get one of my items right here so we can compare. Okay. So this is the item that I've got. This is a classic monogram. And this is actually the reinterpretation of Virgil Abloh's, the flowers, and the Louis Vuitton logos. It looks like it's animated though. This is actually a reminiscent of the old trunk. See that? Did you see, guys? Did you see the difference right here? So that is the difference. And the N, the number 7, actually symbolizes the Virgil Abloh's 7th. It is the 7th show with the fashion house, with the Louis Vuitton fashion, maybe seventh fashion show, or things like that. But that what it stands for. At first I was a little bit confused, but when it says that is actually the seventh show, then it makes sense that they put the number 7 right there. So anyway, so I was doing my research because I was a little bit like, I was a little bit confused about the pattern, and I found out that it is actually the trunk. I think the trunk that I found in the website, it is from, I'm going to put that one right here, the photos. It is the trunk in the 1910. And it was so exciting because I tried to compare the pattern and it is exactly the same as that. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. Wow. That is so lovely. And this one is made up of canvas and a combination of a smooth leather. So the smooth leather is right here, which is in blue. I hope that my camera is actually picking up the exact color for this. I know that sometimes using a ring light or all sorts of lights, I just really hate that when I show you the items and it's just when it came out on your screen, it is totally washed out. I totally hate that, because even myself, I wanted to show you the exact color as it appears in person. And this one is more likely in a lighter blue. It does seem to look like on the camera appears to be a little bit darker, but it's more likely a sky blue. And on the side right here, those gusset. And also, I love this combination, the yellow, the monogram right here in the brown, and the blue. I totally like that. Also, let's take a look at the zipper. Now, it is also another reason why I purchased this. That's because of the zipper. The zipper is made up of this brass hardware, more likely an antique gold. It is not a shiny brass, but it is an antique gold, and it was engraved right there, Louis Vuitton. And I totally love the zipper. It does feel like the zipper, this type of zipper is made up of really high quality material. It does seem to look like it could not easily chip compared to the other zippers that I have. So basically, right there, and it also the antique gold as well right here. Very nice. I totally love the zipper on this compared to my Tigerama. I'm not sure where I put my Tigerama though. It should be here somewhere, but I know the Tigerama has a different zipper. I'm just gonna have to put the photo on the corner so that we could see the difference. It does feel sturdy. Love it. The zipper is super smooth. Inside is actually lined, surprisingly, with a grained leather, which is also the same color from the exterior, from the outside. So let me just take a look at the product information. It is a little bit like blurry right here. It's M81256. This one is currently retailed for $435 US. Now, this was released a few weeks ago, and surprisingly, when I checked the website, as of this moment, it is still available. So if you are interested in getting this for $435 US, get it. Get it now while it's still available. And basically, this is more likely a masculine color compared to the Tigerama collection, but I just couldn't get over of how beautiful the pattern is. That's what I'm actually after for this card holder, and I don't mind those. And then the blue as well. the antique gold, the interior, the same as all the card holders. Right here, the inside. Oh, okay. So this one's actually fully lined with blue in the inside right here. Wow, it's beautiful. And also, yes, this is part of the fashion show for the 2022. Yes, it is. Printemps City. Yeah, that is the spring and summer collection. This one is made in Italy. Wow, beautiful. I totally love this. Like I mentioned, I think this is a unisex piece. That is my opinion. But if you were a guy, if you're hunting for a wallet or a card holder that is affordable and functional, this is a perfect card holder for you. So let me just look at one thing right here. I'm actually curious on how does the print would hold up in time. I know this one is screen printed. On the others, oh wow, it is actually has those number 7 on both sides and opposite sides. This one has a glazing right here as usual, and it does seem to look like the glazing is intact and holding up pretty well. And I know that I am so meticulous when it comes to buying an item that has a glazing. That's because I have already taken 3 items from Louis Vuitton that has a glazing problems, that has a glazing issues. I have several items actually that I purchased in the past few days that I didn't even vlog because there's already a lot of videos out here on YouTube. But this is something that items that I felt like sharing it with you guys. And I am so excited for this piece. I totally love it. I hope that they have changed the Tigerama with this particular type of zipper pull. This is not plastic, it is brass, and I totally love it compared to the Tigerama collection, guys. I was trying to look around right here, maybe if I could find my Tigerama, but I think I put it in the other room though, so at least I could give you a complete comparison. But I'm probably gonna do another video for that. So anyway, these are the items that I have picked up today, and they are gorgeous, they are beautiful. I totally love it. And if you're in a hunt for this agenda right here, you might want to check out with USA. Yes, definitely they could help you source this one out. You may not get it right away. It may take some time, but eventually they'll find it for you. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.